Hey guys, this is Patty, and we're under a tornado watch until 1 a.m. on March 31st. And right now we have a wind advisory. As you can see, the trees are blowing, and don't have a whole lot of trees, but just letting you see some of the trees in the distance and how they're blowing. The wind is real brisk right now. Oh my goodness. Wow. And I mean, it's blowing out here. Seems like it's almost about to blow me down. It's blowing so rough right now. It'll get calm, and then the wind will start to blow, and then it will pick up again and get. I'm just trying to let you see the trees, see what the trees are doing up there. It'll get calm, and then the wind will start back blowing. So look at the skies up there. See what's going on in the skies. But there's always a calm